Oh, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want feedback on your Wix website before going live? This tutorial shows you how to share your site with others without publishing it, so you can gather input and make improvements. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, the first thing guys that I will need you to do is to head up to Wix. So go to your Wix account and open one of your sites. Here, as you can see, I have a bunch of sites, so I'm gonna go and select one of them. Just like that, I will be able to open the dashboard of that specific site. Now, when it comes to sharing or publishing your site, if I went here, let me just go to the design sites. As you can see, there's also site actions, but I'm gonna go to design sites. Here in this area, when you do any changes, anything that you might have basically edited or removed or basically added, you will have to publish that change that you've made, because basically you cannot have like the change apply or be seen by other people if you didn't have it in the publish. And this is what we don't want in our case. In our case, we don't want to publish the site, so we don't want to click here to make the website go live. But rather than that, we would like to actually have like a private version, like something that only us or few people can view. Well, in this specific reason or case, then you shouldn't publish your site in the first place. So what you are going to do are basically two methods. The first method is basically you could save the site instead of publishing it. So when you save, let me just try to go here. I'm gonna, for example, remove this. I'm gonna remove this section, deletes, and I'm gonna click on save. This will save the site, but it will not completely publish it. So as you can see here, once I click on save, your changes are saved. Publish to see your changes live. So I have changed a couple of things, but they are not published yet. Now, how can you view these changes? So to view these changes here, you can find this URL right here, which basically you can copy and take it to a friend or to somebody. So this is a way to sharing it. Also, you could give permission to people that you want them to view your sites in private mode to be added in your account. So you can add them through the admins. So you can go for add members or invite. So you can invite members, or let me just invite. Yep, roles and permissions. And here you will be able to invite people. So by inviting collaborators, give them a specific role that basically can only view the site. Now we could give them, for example, a specific role that can be basically made by us. So you can create a custom role that can only view the site dashboard. So you can view dashboard, edit, and a couple of things. Once you do that, they will be able to go to the site history. By going to the site history, they will find every save that you have done without publishing. For example, here, this is our save. So basically, you simply have to click, for example, let's go for this one. So I'm gonna open this save, and basically I'm using AdBlock. All right, this is loading. Okay, that's good. So here, as you can see, there is these changes which doesn't have that specific section that I have shown you. If I went back here, for example, let's go back right here to August 29th, the actual section will be shown. So there is a variation of things that can be added and removed, and basically the save area here is very good. Now let's go to saved ones, as you can see, and you will find them specifically, so you can filter them even more. So this is the only way possible that you can share a link of your site, or basically share the website without publishing it. So specific people can see that without having the actual sites being live or basically being published. So these are the only ways that you can basically share your Wix website in 2024. If there is any method, guys, that you want me to talk about in the future, make sure to mention them in the comment section so I can basically explain them more in depth in the next videos. And that was pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And note, guys, do not give in this area when I shown you like the invites members, do not give them any random role. Make sure to read every single thing, give them something that only can view the contents, and that's pretty much it. So do not give them the access to change, to add, as long as you want that. Of course, it's up to you. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.